Welcome to another episode. So today we'll be learning how to insert a multiple row. Before we do that, let's look at the table that we want to insert these rows into. Student profile is in SQL module database. So when we run it, this is the table that we want to insert multiple rows into. The syntax for the insertion is insert into, you give the name of the table, student underscore profile, then values. Because I already have the values, so I'm going to copy it from my notepad here and then paste it. So I'm checking to see if I have any issue with my data. I think there is no issue. So I started from ID 2 because I already have ID 1 on my data or my table. So I'm going to run this query here. So the syntax is insert into, give the name of a table, which is the student profile, and then values, then give a value. So in multiple insertion, each row or each record will be in parentheses followed by a comma. Each record will be in parentheses followed by a comma till the end, when you close with a semicolon. So when you run your code, we are going to see that our code is successful. Now, to make sure that our value is in our table, I'm going to open our table now, select all from student profile. I'm going to run this, so we can see from the result read that our values has been inserted. So we can see all our values in the table. So this is how to do multiple row insertion into a table in MySQL. Thank you very much and see you next time.